The new 2026 BMW Motorhome arrives as a statement in luxury mobile living, blending refined automotive engineering with full-scale touring comfort. From the moment you set eyes on its streamlined exterior, it becomes clear this isn't your typical recreational vehicle. The designers have taken cues from BMW's latest electric and performance models: smooth bodywork, flush surfaces, and a bold presence on the road. Rather than simply scaling up a van or bus, BMW has crafted a purposeful motorhome that carries the brand's DNA: dynamic curves, attention to detail, and technological sophistication. Stepping inside, the feeling shifts from vehicle to luxury suite on wheels. High-quality materials abound: premium leathers, sustainable woods, ambient lighting, and thoughtfully arranged living zones create an in-home ambience. You'll find a generous lounge area with recliners and a large display screen, a smart kitchenette complete with induction cooktop and automated drawers, and a bedroom space which folds or slides out to offer more room when parked. The bathroom doesn't skimp on comfort either. With a smart shower system and heated floor, it elevates the RV experience instead of merely approximating it. The large panoramic roof and mood lighting help blur the line between interior and exterior, making the cabin feel open and inviting even when you're off the grid. Under the hood, or beneath the floor, BM's engineering muscle is evident. There are hybrid and full electric variants in the mix: a dual-motor electric version that delivers silent thrust and long range, and a hybrid with a combustion engine teamed with electric motors for extended touring capability. The motorhome's adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering make maneuvering in tight spaces far more manageable than one might expect from a large vehicle, while region braking and smart drive modes give the owner greater flexibility for different driving conditions. On highways, it offers a relaxed high-speed experience with refined noise insulation and stability, and when parked it shifts into camp mode seamlessly. What truly sets this motorhome apart is the integration of smart features and connectivity that make travel less about logistics and more about enjoyment. Voice-controlled assistants manage lighting, climate, and entertainment. AI-driven systems optimize energy use depending on whether you are driving, stationary, or camping. Solar roof panels help sustain onboard power when plugged out, and satellite internet plus 5G connectivity turn the vehicle into a mobile office or entertainment hub. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. A full suite of advanced driver assistance systems come as standard, including adaptive cruise with semi-autonomous capability on highways, surround view monitoring, crosswind stabilization, and load-based suspension adjustments to keep the ride safe and comfortable. Of course, there are trade-offs. As with any premium vehicle in a niche category, the purchase price is steep, and servicing or parts in remote regions may be less convenient than for a standard automobile. Its large dimensions also mean it isn't as agile in tight city streets or narrow campsites as a smaller motorhome. But for travelers who prioritize luxury, brand prestige, cutting-edge tech, and refined performance over budget, this model makes a compelling case. In the end, the 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just a transport option, it's an experience. It invites a new kind of journey, one where the destination is part of the pleasure, and the vehicle itself becomes a place you actually want to spend time in, not just pass through. For those who dream of combining high-end travel, flexibility, and automotive pedigree, this motorhome rises to the occasion.